How do scientists learn to measure things?
Maybe from their teacher?
But who taught the teacher?
Curious about measurement? I'm Measureman. Let's find out. In our daily life, we measure things like weight, volume, temperature, and speed. These are called physical quantities. Each physical quantity has a value and a unit. For example, in 2 kilometer, 2 is the value and kilometer is the unit. Now we will learn about fundamental and derived quantities. Firstly, a set of physical quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other quantities are known as fundamental quantities. For example, length, mass, time, their corresponding units are called fundamental units. There are 7 fundamental physical quantities in SI units, System of International Units. Length is measured in meter with the symbol m, mass is measured in kilogram with the symbol kg, time is measured in second with the symbol s. Temperature is measured in Kelvin with the symbol K. Electric current is measured in ampere with the symbol A. Amount of substance is measured in mole with the symbol mole. Luminous intensity, which describes the brightness of light, is measured in candela with the symbol CD. Secondly, all other physical quantities which can be obtained by multiplying, dividing, or by mathematically combining the fundamental quantities are known as derived quantities. For example, area and volume. Their corresponding units are called derived units. Area is calculated by multiplying length and breadth. Its unit is square meter. Volume is found by multiplying length, breadth, and height. Its unit is cubic meter. Speed is the distance traveled divided by time. Its unit is meter per second. Electric charge is the product of electric current and time. Its unit is coulomb. Density is the mass per unit volume. Its unit is kilogram per cubic meter. Now let's learn about area, a derived quantity. Area is a measure of how much space is there on a flat surface. The area of a plot of land is derived by multiplying its length and breadth. The unit of the area is square meter. So, area is a derived quantity obtained by multiplying length and breadth. Let us look at the area of some regularly shaped objects. The area of regularly shaped objects can be calculated using the relevant formulae. For a square, area is side multiplied by side. For a rectangle, area is length multiplied by breadth. For a circle, area is pi into the square of the radius, that is pi r square. For a triangle, area is half times base multiplied by height, that is 1 by 2 into base into height. Refer to this table for the area of regularly shaped objects. Likewise, area of irregular shapes can also be found. In daily life, we see many irregular shapes like leaves, maps, and feathers. Their area cannot be found using formulas. Instead, we can use a graph sheet. Let's see how to find their area through an activity. Place a leaf on a graph sheet, draw its outline, and remove it. Count the squares inside the outline. Full squares as m, more than half as n, half squares as p, and less than half as q. Now find the area using this formula. Full squares plus 3 by 4 of more than half squares, plus 1 by 2 of half squares, plus 1 by 4 of less than half squares. Values taken from graphs are m equals 3, n equals 2, p equals 2, q equals 1. Area of the leaf is 5.75 square centimeters. This method can also be used for regular shapes like squares and rectangles, giving accurate results. It is useful for finding the area of any irregular shape. Try this second activity. Draw these shapes on a graph sheet and find their area using the graphical method. Then, calculate their area using formulas and compare the results. Do you know, 1 square meter is the area of a square. With side 1 meter, the surface need not be square in shape.
இது போன்ற பாட வீடியோக்களை மேலும் பார்க்க நம்ம ஃப்ரீ ஹேண்ட்ஸ் லேர்னிங் ஹப் சேனல்ல சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. எங்க ஃப்ரீ ஹேண்ட்ஸ் சாஃப்ட்வேர் பை பண்றதுக்கு ஸ்கிரீன்ல தெரியுற இந்த நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணுங்க.